Greetings to you all. This wonderful public sector banking industry has been nationalized initially in 1969 by the then Congress government headed by Madam Srimati Indira Gandhi. The background of this nationalization policy of the government was the enormous consistent struggles by All India Bank Employees Association outside the parliament and the like-minded parties who are supporting the nationalization of the banking industry inside the parliament waged a long battle. It forced the Congress government to nationalize the banking industry. The development and the progress of the nationalized banking sector after 1969, it is completely visible for the people. In 1969, 14 banks have been nationalized. In 1980, another 6 banks have been nationalized. This great public sector industry has made the common people who are in the below poverty line, who are in the middle class category, their economical condition has been enormously improved only because of the financial assistance by the banking industry. But the present government, the then political party which was there in the parliament, has also opposed. The same political party now is the government, they are running the government. So these people, because they are opposite to the public sector banking industry, today they are attempting to denationalize the banking industry. Present government, if they denationalize the banking industry, there will be enormous pressure on the recruitment, because the reservation policy will completely disappear. Not only that, the needy people who are in the middle class category, who are in the lowest economical category, will never get any financial assistance by the people. The government knows it. So then also this government, these people were arguing that banks shall be in private sector only. It should not be nationalized. And now also the same song they are singing it. So these people policy is that the corporate houses only will have to run the banks, but in the interest of the corporate people only. So that is why All India Bank Employees Association now is conducting a lot of struggles, and we have taken a decision, come what may, let us not allow the government to denationalize the banking industry. Keep it in mind, comrades, that if the banking industry is denationalized, there will be a lot of difficulties being faced by the people of the country. That is why, come what may, whatever may be the sacrifice, we shall have to protect the banking industry, because hundreds of years banking sector prior to 1969 was in private sector only. It is not a new aspect to the government, new aspect to the people of the country. That is why during the last, from 1969, for the last 50 to 53 years, this banking industry has shown the progress in the country. So come what may, we shall have to protect the banking industry. The ill motive of the present government is well known to all the people. They wanted the corporate houses to loot the country, because in the banks more than 1 crores of money has been deposited by the common people. You are all aware, in India, the world's richest people, numbering 5 people are available in India, but those 5 people do not have even a single rupee deposit in the banking industry. All are common people. Common people have deposited lakhs of crores of rupees in the banking industry. The corporate people have completely tried to cheat the people, and the government, this present government, has got the support to the corporate houses. That is why, despite the struggles conducted by the United Forum of Bank Unions, long drawn struggles have been conducted by All India Bank Employees Association, the social organizations, eminent people in the country wanted banking sector to be in the public sector only. Even then, the present government, not only behaving undemocratically, but autocratically, they wanted to denationalize the banking. They wanted to denationalize the banking industry. That is why I request every one of you, comrades, to see that whatever the sacrifice that is required, we have to see, we have to contribute it, and unless the banking industry is totally protected, see that banking industry is a public sector, tomorrow the people of the country will definitely be the loser. That is why All India Bank Employees Association, who is responsible for the nationalization of the banking industry,